Cooking the perfect meal has never been easier with the Napoleon Pro Wireless Digital Thermometer. Set the probe, sit back, and relax. Napoleon's got your back. Set the type of food, temperature, and even the time you want to cook. Napoleon's professional wireless digital thermometer will alert you when it's done. This wireless thermometer allows you to walk away from the grill to prep or socialize while the meal cooks. The digital display allows you to move up to 200 feet away. The stainless steel probe cleans up easily, can be submerged in water, unlike most meat thermometers, and is rust and corrosion proof. It can even be left in the grill while cooking, reducing heat loss. The LCD display is crystal clear, showing you everything you need to know about the status of your meal while it's on the grill. Available in 4 languages: English, French, Spanish, and German. The Napoleon Pro Wireless Digital Thermometer is the easy way to ensure a perfectly grilled meal every time.